Hello, this is Ian from DC Digital, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a special version of our DC-406C-TERM counter. This order is going out to East Anderson Hardwoods for their manufacturing facilities. They have requested a custom version of our C-TERM counter so that they can tally how much material is coming out of the machine, which is in a conveyor belt-like fashion. As such, this version of our C-TERM counters has an area sensor that is wired into the enclosure, and it also comes with a stainless steel controller with 3 push buttons to help manually regulate the amount of products and materials that is being shipped out. So first things first, I'm going to go over how the area sensor is meant to work. We have our area sensor here that is directly wired into the counter itself, and its only function is that it's meant to increment one by one as products are passing through the area sensor right here. So I got in my right hand, right here is a micro detector, and I'm just going to pass it on through the area sensor, and as you can see, that incremented by 1. So as more and more products and materials are coming out, and it passes through the area sensor, it increments each individual material and product that passes through the area sensor one by one, and it's meant to add 1 increment at a time. And this is how the workers are able to keep track and keep tally of how much product is coming out. So now I'm going to be going over the functions of the stainless steel wired controller. It is directly wired into the enclosure itself, and it is wired via 25 feet cord. The area sensor also comes with a 25 feet cord, by the way. And the functions of the stainless steel wired controller is that it has multiple functions. So it can increment, decrement, and reset to 0. So the green button right here, it adds a digit via incrementation. So the green button adds 1 digit per button push. Now the black button, which is the decrement button, it subtracts when pressed. And for the red button right here, which is the 0 reset, it resets it right back to 0. So that's the difference between the area sensor and the stainless wired controller, is that the area sensor, it simply just adds 1 digit, and it's more automated. Whereas the wired controller, it's meant to be more manual driven, operated by the user. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware of the counter. The enclosure is a 14 gauge aluminum fingerprint resistant black powdered enclosure. The display size is 4 inches, and it could be viewed up to 200 feet of viewing distance. It has a total of 6 digits, and each of them can count to 9. And as for the power, it is a 120 to 240 VAC wall adapter that comes with a 6 feet cord. And lastly, in the back, we have our mounted teardrops that are directly mounted into the top left hand, middle, and right side enclosure, all in the back. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-406C-TERM counter with an area sensor and stainless steel controller. Thanks for watching.